Kurwa chinsemo oimense nigo bomiranira so mucho Nanyuki county ya Laikipia Egeikaro kiabo giakira mwaka eriko kwanira iguru ya mangana abwatikene no OBOCHENU BW'OBONGO Egeikaro kikia matuka to nige kerenge kenene ase omwaka oyo kere ogunchuka kwerire OBOCHENU BW'OBONGO egati ABASAE nabo kwengenta kuru ase ensemo yabaroire bari abamenyete no buroire bwa cancer aine gati yaria AKWANEIRWE ase Egeikaro.
And this is purely to sensitize our people on the essence of intervening on mental health issues. We are all aware that mental health problem has really become a concern of everybody, not just in Kenya but globally. However, our attention is in Kenya because that is where we are. And in this case, we all know that the prevalence of mental health conditions or diseases is 1 out of every 4 people, and that is about 25%, and therefore it is a really concern of everybody. And the other thing that has always been there is that mental health has never been given the proper attention that it needs to be given. It is quite imperative that we sensitize our people and we make them aware of mental health issues and maybe even where they can seek attention. I think this is a good thing, and we really want to welcome everyone as we walk around. Let them know that we are purely coming out to remind them that we are all either affected or we are in one way or another taking care of somebody who is affected by mental health.
And we have very interesting topics this year. Our theme, we are looking at integrating innovations into mental health care for a resilient future. So we want to build a resilient future. Resilience here, we are talking about resilience in the healthcare system, resilience among our healthcare professionals, resilience among the community, because we know the prevalence of mental health or mental health disorders is in the increase, and therefore we need to be able to prepare as a country for our future. We can only prepare that if we are able to create resilience in the healthcare system, among our patients, among our community, among healthcare providers, because like we said, all of us are affected in one way or another. And therefore, we are going to have a number of topics or research papers presented in that particular conference. We will look at the interlink between climate change and mental health. We will look at the interlink between medical diseases and mental health, because we know chronic medical diseases are risk factors to chronic mental illnesses. And chronic mental illnesses, we're also going to learn about suicide. All of us agree that in the recent past we've had many incidents, many cases of our citizens, our members in the community, our brothers and sisters dying